Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanari. Now we are the discuss topic how to make a publication ready table and interpretation for one-way ANOVA in LSD. So what is one-way ANOVA and LSD? The LSD least significance difference test a post hoc analysis used in conjugations with a one-way ANOVA to determine which specific group mean are significantly different from each other. The one-way ANOVA itself is a statistical test that compares the means of three or more independent groups to see if there is a significant difference among them. Now, how to make publication ready table for one-way ANOVA in LSD. So this is a one-way ANOVA LSD analyzed output result. So how to analyze one-way ANOVA in LSD? The video already published in our channel. This video link mentioned to this video description box. So this is a three table present in the one-way ANOVA. So description, ANOVA and multiple comparison for LSD. So those three table combined for a single table in publication ready format. So the table already ready. So this is a table. Those three table converted into the single table. So the table for summary of one-way ANOVA and LSD post hoc test result for the planned height. So first one for the treatment group. So the treatment group for the control is a T0 and T1 is a supplement A and T2 is a supplement B and T3 supplement C. So the planned height and standard deviations, those three column take to the description table. So the mean planned height, so the planned height for the control plant 55.84 and supplement A for the T1 69.58 and the highest planned height for the supplement B T2 85.14. Though this is a standard deviation, the value take to the descriptions table. So the next one for the ANOVA F, this is for the ANOVA, the table value. The table value take for the ANOVA table 86.186. The value take to the ANOVA table. And next one for the p value, the p value for less than 0.001, the value for the ANOVA table in 0.00. So the next one for the ANOVA, degrees of freedom value 3,118. So the value take to the ANOVA table degrees of freedom value 3,18. And next one for the LSD post hoc comparison test take to the multiple comparisons. So the T0 less than T1 indicate that the T1 is a statistically greater than T0. These comparisons, these LSD comparisons follow the order of significance determined by the LSD post hoc test. So this is a publication ready for the table in one-way ANOVA, the post hoc comparison for LSD. So the table description for the one-way ANOVA, the table presents the mean and standard deviation of planned height for each treatment group along with F and P value from the one-way ANOVA. LSD post hoc comparisons indicate which treatment groups showed significant difference in the planned height. So the next one for the table explanations. Mean planned height, the unit for the centimeter, the average height of the plant in each treatment groups. So the standard deviations of the planned height within the each group reflecting the variations. ANOVA F, the ANOVA F value from the ANOVA test indicating the overall significance of difference between the group. P value, the probability value indicating the significance level of the ANOVA test. LST post-hoc comparisons, the result of the least significance difference post-hoc test showing the pairwise comparison and indicate which group have significantly different the mean heights. So the next one section for the interpretation of one-way ANOVA within the LST post-hoc test. In this study, a one-way ANOVA was conducted to evaluate the effect of the different supplements on plant height. The analysis compares to 4 treatment groups. Control group is a T0 and 3 group receiving different supplements T1, T2 and T3. The ANOVA result demonstrated a significant difference in plant height across those groups. Open the bracket F, that degrees of freedom value 3,16, the mean value 85.14, the significant value p less than 0.001, indicating that the supplements had a substantial important impact on the growth of the plant. The mean plant height of the total group was 55.84, significantly lower than higher observed in the supplement group. T1 which a mean height of the 69.58, T2 which 85.14 and T3 with 71.68. The least significance post-hoc test further clarified those differences, showing that all the supplements significantly increased plant height compared to the control group. The supplement B had the most pronounced effect with an average increase of 29.30 over the control, which was significantly greater than increased seen with supplement A and supplement C. Those results suggest that the supplements are effective in promoting the plant height, with supplement B being the most effective. This could imply with the supplement B contains nutrients or compounds that are particularly beneficial for engaging the plant height. The findings underscores the importance of supplement sections in agriculture practice, the maximum plant growth and productivity. So the next one section for the conclusion of the one-way ANOVA with LST post-hoc test. The one-way ANOVA and subsequent LST post-hoc test conclusively show that the different supplement significance impact on the plant height. The substantial growth observed with supplement B suggests it could be a highly effective option of agricultural applications aiming to boost plant growth. Further research would explore the specific mechanisms by which supplement B engaging the plant height and examine the long-term effect of its use on crop yield and health. Okay, this is for the MAC 2 publication ready table in ANOVA and LST post-hoc with interpretations on these sections. Thank you for watching this video.